I've been trying to understand English sentences in Hindi. It's quite a challenge.
Yes, translating between languages can be tough. One tip is to focus on the context, not just the words.
That's true. Also, idioms and phrases often don't translate well directly. It's better to understand their meaning.
Absolutely, and don't forget about cultural references. They play a big role in understanding the context.
Right. Using bilingual resources can help too, like books or websites that explain English in Hindi.
Practice is key, too. Regularly reading and listening to English while translating helps a lot.
So, what are your recommended study methods for this?
First, immerse yourself in the language. Watch movies or shows in English with Hindi subtitles.
Also, try language exchange with someone who speaks English and wants to learn Hindi. It's a win-win.
Using apps and online courses can be really effective too. They offer structured learning.
Don't forget to practice speaking. It's important to use the language actively.
Right, and be patient. Language learning takes time, but it's rewarding.
Once I can understand English in Hindi, I'd love to read classic English literature.
That sounds amazing. I'd like to watch English movies without subtitles and fully understand them.
I'd also like to travel to English-speaking countries and communicate with locals without any language barrier.
And think about all the English songs we could understand and sing along to.
Absolutely. Understanding English opens up so many opportunities for entertainment, learning, and even work.
Yes, it's not just about language. It's about connecting with a whole new world of experiences.
Do you have any recommendations for singers who sing in English?
Definitely. Adele is amazing with her powerful voice and emotional lyrics.
I also love Ed Sheeran. His songs are so catchy and easy to sing along to.
Taylor Swift is great too. Her storytelling in songs is incredible.
And don't forget John Legend. His voice is so smooth and his songs are full of soul.
Absolutely, and exploring different genres can help you find even more artists you like.
Do you have any recommendations for books written in English?
Sure, To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee is a classic and a must-read.
I also recommend 1984 by George Orwell. It's a thought-provoking dystopian novel.
The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald is another great choice for its vivid depiction of the Jazz Age.
If you're into fantasy, Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling is a fascinating read.
And don't miss The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's an inspiring story about following your dreams.
When you read English texts, is there anything particular you pay attention to?
Yes, I focus on understanding the main idea first, instead of trying to translate every word.
I also look up words I don't know, but I try to guess their meaning from the context first.
Paying attention to sentence structure and grammar helps in understanding complex texts.
And don't forget to take notes of phrases or expressions that seem interesting or useful.
Reading aloud can also help improve pronunciation and fluency.
Thank you for the valuable conversation today.
It was my pleasure. I always enjoy discussing language learning.
Let's keep in touch and share more tips and experiences in the future.
Absolutely. I look forward to our next conversation.
Have a great day.
You too, take care.